So this is what happens to your headroom when you're taking 4x8 sheets of 1-inch foam back to the store. They do fit in the car, barely, but so do I. Let's see how wide these windows are. They are a lane plus 5, 6 feet. Behind the scenes of the amazing making of. Above the scenes of the cutting out. Is that a new bust of Anubis?
It is a new bust. It is a new bust of a new bust. It's my top of my canopic jar. It'll look better when it's painted.
It looks amazing now.
How does it look? It's a little scary.
No,
but
well, I
know,
think
it's a window
Anubis is
prop.
supposed to be scary.
Well, let's see. Look at this canopic jar. I mean, it's not like
Yeah.
not like a highly detailed.
Yours is so much better. They didn't know what they were doing back then, and they needed you around
They need me back
in ancient
then?
Egypt. Yes.
Oh, now I have to make the head of Horus, the head of a baboon, and then a human. A human. That's gonna be the hard one.
You could just cut my head off and stick it on a
No,
jar.
that's not even funny.
Okay. Wonderful job.
Thank you.
These girls think everything's funny. If I didn't know better, I'd think that looked fun. It kind of looks fun.
If I wasn't so stressed out about getting it done, it would be fun. But I'm having to rush through it and do it fast. But we have
So
a
tell the
Anubis
people-
and a Horus.
Huh?
And we have an Anubis and a Horus, and we have a person coming.
So tell them what you're using. This modeling clay?
Yeah, this is just air dry clay. And you know, you can't have ancient Egypt if you don't have canopic jars. But it's
Those
not
are the
like,
jars that they would put people's organs in.
Yeah, it's not like you can just like run out onto the market and find 14-inch tall canopic jars. You can find tiny little 4-inch ones, but I mean, that's not, what good is a 4-inch canopic jar in an 8-foot window? 0% good.
Yeah,
So,
perspective,
yeah,
scale.
Scale. So I am kind of making canopic jars.
No,
They're
they're gorgeous.
not fantastic, but they.
Y'all wait till you see the finished product.
Yeah, I have a lot of painting to do, and et cetera, et cetera, et cetera.
You need like a spray painting, like a,
I used to have an airbrush.
what are those airbrush kits, don't
I
you?
used to have one, but
Did you?
these aren't going to be like
They're just
fancy,
kind of,
fancy painting.
just kind of clay colored.
Yeah.
Very cool, very, very, very cool.
You want to know what's happening? So I'm sitting at lunch with Mom and Papa Restoration,
Hello, hello.
but I'm also watching my auction from Owen's Auction House on liveauction.com. You can see the escutcheons that I wanted went for $60, and you should be really proud I didn't buy them. I didn't buy them because they don't go in the house.
And
I
you
don't need
don't
them.
really need them.
Don't need them, but we're watching. Are you watching? Not that it isn't worth this, but I will not be buying the Duncan 5-inch.
You just bid it?
Oh,
Do you immediately get outbid?
I immediately got outbid. I can't see. This is where you have to exhibit self-control.
Yes.
Because I'm opening a new dress store.
Yes.
And I'm looking at this going, that's.
But you
3
can't have
dresses
self-control now.
wholesale. So.
When can you?
I did not get the Wedgwood.
Isn't that fun to watch though?
Makes me sad.
Don't get me started on this thing.
Oh, dude, you stay out of it. You stay out of the auction.
Quite sure that this is the dumbest way in the world to do this, but without a pickup or a trailer, I had to get this drywall in my car. I wasn't gonna pay $80 for delivery, and I didn't have time to wait a week. So, I've got 4 pieces of drywall. I had to cut them down before they would fit in the car. My car is big, and 8 feet is no problem. I got 8 feet. So I had to cut these all down. My widest cut is 40 inches that I need. So I went ahead and did that and it fit in fine. So 40 inches, 37 and a half, 27, 26 and a half. So I've got the 4 pieces I need in here. I get to unload them, which is not fun either because they're heavy as they can be. Cut down, at least they're a little bit smaller. Just made that turn so we probably didn't see anything while I was doing it. So yeah, this is the dumbest way to do it. Cutting drywall in the parking lot of Lowe's. Had several people look at me like, boy, you must be stupid or something. And maybe I am, I don't know, but I'm gonna get it there today. Sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. And this is what had to happen. You gotta get the sweat going now though. All right, hang in there people, let's get it done. So, believe it or not, I'm not sure how I did it exactly, but I got my drywall here. There's 2, they're cut and ready to go. Those 2, they're cut and ready to go. Now I'll get to put them up. I think that'll be a lot easier than getting him here, actually. What are you trying to do?
I need it by the glue gun, and the glue gun is over there, and I cut it over here. Oh. Be careful. What? I'm good. Look at me. I'm all out.
Did you know this thing is possessed? Did you know? And I must kill it. Okay, what you got? What you got?
We can find out. I think it's on one of those sheets. It was a 30-year roof. So I'll send you both of the sheets. You've got
Very,
such
very
a
good
pitch
house.
on your roof that you're not gonna have sitting water. The only places that I would be concerned about are those valleys where they can put everything together, but those are like the really good.
Ethan's looking at this house.
Hi, I am.
Lane's up there. We're giving it the once over. They've got some new furniture in here. They did replace the windows, but they got good replacements, if that's a thing. They didn't go with the basic. They put some that looked somewhat period. Love these.
Every time.
Ethan came ready to look under the house. Said he's put his hair in 4-wheel drive. I love that. Lock in the hubs is what we always say, Ethan.
Yes. I like it. I showed it. It's got that.
Ethan loves this old furnace. It's the closest thing to a car inside a house, right?
Yes.
It's very cool.
It's very, very neat. And it's in really nice
Yeah,
shape.
and it's not hooked up right now,
Pull it
but
apart and see how it works.
there is a gas line coming up in the back, so he could probably get this going. I don't know if he needs it, but
I desire
just
it.
as he desires it. There you
Desire
go.
it. So, therefore, I need it. And it will work.
Yeah. One of the two. But other than that, you would just, you kind of have no neighbors in front of you. I love that. I'm very jealous of that. I just want to see it. Well, yeah, please tell me.
It's not very sturdy.
No, it's really not.
Not at all.
Oh, this is super cool. This is really, really neat.
So is this the apartment?
Yeah.
Wow.
What is these?
It does have all its original doors, and they actually have some extra doors that we were.
The attic. Yes. In I go. Oh, wow.
Modern bathrooms and kitchen. Great yard. The fire pit. Beautiful fencing. It's a good house. Ethan is gone. Where's Ethan? Anything in here to see?
I'm wondering if it was added on to at some point because of the way that this is built.
That's interesting. So this is what we were looking at. This was originally just the size of the house here. It just went all the way across, and then they added this section at some point. Did a really good job though.
I remember when there was an awning.
Yeah.
Yep, I do too.
Oh, okay.
It wasn't that long ago that there were awnings.
Oh, fair enough. Do you think
This is
that they
the cutest
kept
little
them, or
house.
do you think that they tossed them?
Probably tossed. I'm sure they're
We do
gone.
have a great awning in here in Conway.
Yeah.
Because I always thought it looked like it was smiling when it had the awnings on it. That's funny, but they were curved, so I thought it looked like a happy little house.
What do you think, Ethan?
So great.
I love it. I think it's great.
It's a winter house.
That's
Yeah.
I don't know if it has enough garage for Ethan, who has, how many cars do you
I
have?
have 5 now.
5, and you just
4.
bought a new one. Yeah.
Yes, number 5.
Well,
so
nobody's gonna have room for 5
I'm
cars.
just shy of having a full century. I've got from 1920 to 2010.
Oh,
so
that
we're
is
close.
cool.
We're close.
Well, someday you'll have to be a multimillionaire where you can have 20 cars in your
Not
garage.
being into cars, I'll never be a millionaire.
That's true.
I'll be a thousandaire.
Hey. Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. Oh no. Oh no.
Hi, tiny one.
Everyone but me.
How have you not been run over multiple times?